Hi everyone, we wanted to give you a more in-depth look into our new facility. So this is going to be our entry, lobby, welcoming area. And then we'll go into the hallway where there's a conference room and lots of different offices. You'll see a common theme throughout the building is there's lots of light, lots of windows. Alright, this area right here is going to be our technician office area. It's very large, very open, and connects to the hangar as well as the front office area. And in this hallway we have multiple of these office areas. They all are going to have the large windows and lots of light. And there's 5 of those. Going back through the tech office area leads you straight into the hangar. It is very bright. The floors are shining. We have the fans going. Alright, and walking along this wall, we have our hand washing and fountain area. We have a storage area that we're going to have a use for. Hallway connecting to the front area. A small office area. That one's locked, but we'll see it on the other side. And this is going to be our parts and tooling room. Again, connects to both sides and has that easy access window. Here's another look at the hangar, but with the lift, the engine lift right there on the ceiling. This is another storage area. Alright, so going back through here, as you can see, we have those automatic lights. Very nice. Excuse the mess, but this is going to be our shipping receiving area. Here's another look at that with the garage door. Alright, another look from the other side. This is going to be the kitchen break room area. 2 of those big windows, sink. We'll have a refrigerator, vending machine. This is what was behind this locked door. Alright, and coming back through the other side, we have this another storage room. And this door to the right is going to be the tech training room. So it's large, lots of room. Alright, and we're going to go back past the tech office. Another look at the conference room. And then this is the other end. We got 2 more larger offices, some restrooms, and another entry to the hangar. And here's the outside. It is pretty large, right next to the jet access facility.